Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new Lookfantastic box, but it's not really a box because it's more of a satchel, and we got the booklet again. So I'm so freaking excited and happy. Let's just get started. But before we actually get started, I want to remind you to enter my giveaway. We need to reach 600 subscribers in order for me to give away a satchel filled with makeup, and after that a brand new giveaway will start. The giveaway is open worldwide, boy, girl, it doesn't matter. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, check out that video, and hopefully we can reach 600 subscribers very, very soon. So in here are all of the items, and let's just get started probably with the elephant in the room, which is actually not all of these products. I'm gonna get them out and let's just talk about this satchel because it really is amazing. I love the plastic thing over here, and on the back it actually says Lookfantastic Beauty Box. It really looks amazing. I really enjoy it, and especially like the clean aesthetic of it. I really do enjoy. It's so easy for on the go as well. I really like it, so this is definitely an item. I will check in the booklet, you know, whether or not they listed it as an item, because it's actually supposed to be the actual box, but it's not a box. It's, I think every single time in July we receive a satchel instead of a box. Great for travel purposes, by the way. And I love their the satchel from last year, the blue one. I love it. I actually use it quite a lot, so I'm really happy we received this one. Oh no, gotta be kidding me. Okay, so I did receive the booklet. However, I did not receive the price of the item, so the booklet is useless to me. Ugh, it sucks. It was not listed as an item, by the way, so I'm gonna assume this is the box, but still, it's an item. It's great. Okay, let's move on to probably the biggest item in here, which is from Grow Gorgeous Intelligent Hair Care. This is the Defense Anti-Pollution Leave-In Spray. This is what it looks like. I'm not really sure whether or not it's a full size, because I think, if I'm not mistaken, last year in this satchel we received all travel size items, like travel friendly, and I think this is only 60 milliliters, so you're allowed to take this on the plane. So I'm gonna assume that pretty much all of these items are going to be travel sizes. Not really sure. We'll see. Okay, directions. As part of the Defense Hair Care regime, spray onto towel-dried hair, comb through, and style as usual. Okay, we'll have to read up in the booklet what this does like exactly, but so far so good. Let's move on to another spray, which is from Mine, as in Mine Tan. Hydrating Gradual Glow, Cucumber, Soothe and Moisturize, Face Plus Body Tan Mist. It's a hydrating face and body tan mist. Wow, looks really awesome. This is what it looks like. Again, great for travel purposes. I'm not really sure. It says Hydrating Gradual Glow. Dare I spray it on my arm just to see? Oh, what it does. I'm going to spray it on one arm and not on the other, just to see. Wow, it smells good, but you can tell there's like tanning lotion in here because of the smell. I don't know if I just spray this on and if I don't have to rub it out with a glove. I will have to check that out in the booklet, but again, I don't think you're supposed to, because it says Face Plus Body Tan Mist, so I don't know. I will have to check out the booklet. Let's move on to Elemis Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer with Kombucha Glow Moisturizer. Sorry. Okay, this is what that moisturizer looks like. Again, very travel friendly. Clearly not a full size though. Have to check out the booklet. A moisturizer is always welcome in my opinion. We still have 3 more items, guys. They are smaller items, but we do receive a lot. Okay, so the next item is a lipstick from Revlon. It is 225 Rose Wine. This, oh, it's brown. Shoot. This is what it looks like. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep it for myself. As you can see, it's brand new, but maybe I'll give this away in a giveaway, so make sure to check it out. Not sure what I'm going to do with this one just yet because it is a brown tone lipstick and I already have so many brown tone lipsticks, so I'm kind of done with the browns. Even though fall is going to come here and then I'm all into browns, but that's literally only for fall. Okay, let's move on to Illamasqua. Oh, I love receiving items from Illamasqua. This is the Beyond Liquid Highlighter. OMG. Let's see, is it sealed? Yes, it actually is sealed because I want to get it out of the seal to see what kind of a highlighter this actually is. Is it going to be Boom Pow? Or is it just going to be a subtle glow? Wow, I cannot for the life of me get this off. Yeah, guys are going to have to give me a minute. Okay, so I got it out of the foil. Come on. Like, seriously, nothing is coming out. Oh, shoot. Okay. See, now I squeezed a little bit too much of that highlighter. By the way, this is very small. As you can see, this is what it looks like. Oh, and I got some highlighter on here. Oops. Okay, so I got some of it, as you can see on my hand. Now let's smudge that out. Okay, I got way too much of that on my hand. Way too much. Holy cow. Like, can you see this? I think you can. Whoa, look at that. This is amazing. Look at that. Okay, that is far too much, and I don't have a wipe here, and I'm gonna have to, you know, be careful for my wardrobe. So we got one more item, and I'm just gonna show you like this because I swear, look, my fingers, my hand is just, oh my god, that is way too much highlighter. Okay, gotta be real careful with that highlighter. The last item in here is from Star Skin. It's the 7-second luxury all day mask, 7-in-1 Miracle Skin mask pads. This is what it looks like, and y'all know I'm a sucker for masks. I love to receive a mask, so I'm really happy with this. It's one treatment, and there's a side 1 and side 2 to it, so I'm not really sure what you're supposed to do. But I will have to check out the booklet and see how this works exactly, but I have to say I'm very happy with this. Okay guys, and that is it for this month's box, or satchel I should say. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, 7 if you include the satchel, which I will. I think this box is freaking amazing, very travel friendly. That is awesome, and you pretty much got a lot in here if you would go, you know, on travel. That's a really weird sentence and it's not correct. If you would travel. So you got something for your hair, something for your tan. You've got a lipstick and a highlighter. You got a mask in there for your face, and you got a moisturizer, and of course a great travel bag. Unfortunately, like I said, I don't know the prices of these items, which kind of sucks. I really would wish the prices were mentioned in that booklet as they were before. Yeah, I don't know. Leave me in the comment section down below, comment of what you think of this particular satchel. I really enjoyed it. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to enter my giveaway, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!